As described by their followers, Liziqi is art and Dianxi Xiaoge is life. Hi, I'm Neta, and we do Liziqi versus Dianxi Xiaoge. I want to compare and explore the similarities and distinction between those amazing women. We will first speak about Liziqi, starting with their video style. An artistic film with impressive colors and seasonal changes. This is a short Hollywood experience. We are entering a beautiful world of colors, designed as if they are made from nature. And in this nature operates Liziqi. Liziqi attitude is showing and not telling. Dianxi Xiaoge style is straightforward. Everything feels very authentic in her videos. We get to share moments from her village, her life, her activities, and Da Wang the king. Da Wang is her cute and naughty dog. In her video, she smiles and talks and shows us how friendly she is. While Liziqi showing us creation made out of scratch. Li might look like a gentlewoman, but she can do anything with her two hands. And I really mean that. What is the difference between their villages? Liziqi lives in Sichuan province. This province is associated with the pandas, hot peppers, hot chili, and super spicy hot pot. Located in the southwest of mainland China in the upper reaches of the Yangtze River, with the 4 distinct seasons. Very cold in the winter and very hot in the summer, dominated by mountains, hills, plains, and plateaux. There are abundant resources. Liziqi hometown is in the rural area of Sichuan. Dianxi lives in Yunnan. Yunnan is famous for beautiful landscape of mountains and rivers, border with Dehuang to the west, Dali to the east, and Burma to the northwest. More than 50 minorities are living together in Yunnan. Create a very special cuisine with unique ingredients not found in any other provinces and not familiar for netizens outside of Yunnan. This area is mostly sunny. Dianxi lives in the southwestern part near Myanmar. She lives in Baoshan. Baoshan is also known as the place of the peacock. Peacocks is a symbol of happiness for the local Dai people. Liziqi started to make videos in 2015 after she returned to her village from the big city. Her start was in a local social media platform called Meipai. She started using more platforms such as microblogging, Weibo, Xiaohongshu, and the Chinese YouTube Bilibili. She opened a shop in Taobao to sell fresh products. She has made a short video to promote it. That video was uploaded to Meipai. A Meipai employee noticed her content and decided to put it on the main page, and it went viral. Sichuan girl has more than 21 million Weibo fans, more than 30 million Douyin fans, and about 7 million fans overseas. Later on 2016, she decided to open her own YouTube channel, and the rest is history. Dianxi Xiaoge e-commerce activity. Dianxi Xiaoge started in 2016. After getting inspired by internet KOLs such as the comedian Pepe Jiang. The idea was to promote the local Yunnan food which is not familiar in China. However, after she uploaded more videos and gained fans, she decided to focus on her village life and food videos. She urgently had to find a job to support her family, so she decided to sell special food products from Yunnan through the internet. She wishes to show more people of Yunnan and more cultures, introduce Yunnan to the Chinese and to the world. It took her about 3 years to become an online celebrity, Wang Hong, and uploaded videos to the YouTube since 2018. Sometimes life have other plans for us, so what was the crisis that made them so successful? Liziqi has a touching story. She was born in Sichuan province. After her mother and father got divorced, her father looked after her until he passed 10. Her grandmother and grandfather decided to bring her to their house. She learns from her grandfather the traditional Sichuan handcraft. At the age of 14 years old, she immigrated to the big city to help her family. In 2012, her grandmother's health got worse. Liziqi decided to come back home. She was born in April 4th, the same year with Liziqi, 1990. Dianxi Xiaoge has a sister and a brother. She lives in the village together with her parents, her grandparents, and her uncle's family. This is a big and happy family. Dianxi Xiaoge remembered as a little girl that the village had a lack of water. Each morning, her mother would walk along the stone road to the foot of the village to carry water and fill the big tank at home. After graduating, she moved to Chongqing and worked in a startup company in the internet section. In 2016, her father got ill and she decided to come home to be with her family in Baoshan, Yunnan. Dianxi Xiaoge's most popular videos include ethnic food. Kitchen tool. Dianxi represents herself as more modern. Liziqi is keeping a traditional kitchen and cooking methods. You almost don't see the use of modern cookware. Liziqi shoots and plans her scenes in advance, taking care of every little detail. In Liziqi videos, everything is scripted and well planned. The videos include time-lapse shooting which show the beauty of the seasonal changes. Liz controlling the light, the sound, the colors. Now what about Dianxi Xiaoge? So Dianxi Xiaoge videos are very natural and down to earth. Dianxi Xiaoge staff include 2 people and a production company called PuppyTube. PuppyTube is a professional MCN organization created by the comedian Papi Jiang, who supports other influencers. This cooperation helped Dianxi to grow fast. Her video presentation is very authentic, without too many filters, and she admits she does not have any script. Some will say she is copying Liziqi. Yes, they both make beautiful videos about food, but besides this basic stuff, they are so different. We can understand the difference between them by comparing the title of their videos' names. Li is telling us a story. Each video starts with the story of, the life of. We are witnessing a full agricultural process, which is so simple but yet very complicated. While Dianxi is writing the name of the dish she is going to prepare, and we actually can understand how to make it. We admire Liziqi's clear mind and talented hands, and Dianxi touches us directly into our hearts. She makes us miss our family and appreciate the simple and humble way of living. So as their fans say, Li is art and Dianxi is life. What is your opinion about it?